Hi mga mami, sa mga anak dyan na October, check natin kung magkano yung pwede nyo makuha for SSS MAT-2. So sa mga gusto mag-self-compute, I'm using SSS Maternity Benefits Calculator. Punta lang din po kayo dito and follow the steps. So sa step number 1 natin, lagay nyo kung ano yung member type nyo and maternity case. So I'll be doing a voluntary member. Kung may other category kayo, then lagay nyo yung category nyo. And then for maternity case, normal delivery or CS delivery. If may mga solo parents, lagay nyo solo parents. And miscarriage, may mga types of miscarriage dito. Kailangan i-check nyo sa medical record or check nyo sa OB nyo kung ano yung type of miscarriage. Yan. So, I'll be making separate video for this. Then, October 2026. So, qualifying period. Ang qualifying period natin is July 2025 to June 2026. So, meron tayong kailangan meron tayong contribution at least 3 months posted contribution para mag-qualify. And then, for step number 3, yan. So, sa step number 3 natin, lagay nyo lang kung magkano yung contribution nyo. Yan, or MSC. So, let's say, ang qualifying period is July. Yan, so lalabas dito July. Ilagay nyo lang kung magkano yung contribution nyo on July 2025. So, kung hindi nyo kabisado, punta kayo sa SSS account nyo and nandun siya sa under contribution. So, let's say, for example, maglagay tayo ng figure para mayroon kayong idea. Yan. So, let's say, hindi pare-pareho yung contribution ko. Na-adjust siya based sa updated SSS contribution table. Mga mamis, pag maghuhulog kayo, let's say voluntary self-employed and kayo non-working spouse, every year, i-check nyo din kung updated pa ba yung hinuhulog nyo kasi nababago po yung SSS contribution table. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's every 2 years ata. So, nag-i-increase siya. Ayan. And then, calculate. So, ito yung estimate na pwede ko makuha kay SSS based dito sa mga contribution na nilagay ko. And then, sa step number 4, yan. So, sine-check dito kung may mga missing months ka, which is, yan, lumabas dito kung ano yung mga missing months at saka yung status niya. So, kung nakalagay dito is past deadline na, ibig sabihin hindi mo na siya pwedeng mahabol, or if ever man na mahabol mo, let's say for example, ngayon is 2026, diba? So, pwede mo pang mabayaran yung April, May, June. January, February, March, pwede mo pa siya mahabol. And then April, May, June, pwede pa rin. But, late payment na siya consider. But, yun nga, pwede mo pa rin siyang magamit or can be useful for future benefit. Yan. So, step number 5, MAT-1. So, kung may mga kung halimbawa nakapag-file ka na ng MAT-1, and this is case-to-case basis ha. So, kung ano yung nagawa mo na, yun yung iselect mo. So, let's say, yes, I already filed. Kung halimbawa naman hindi pa, yan may mga to-do next na lalabas dyan or mga explanation. So, iselect mo lang. May mga follow-up question din. So, let's say yan. And then, go to step number 6, which is yung enrollment ng DAEM or disbursement account. So, dito ipapadala ni SSS yung benefits na makukuha mo sa kanila. So, let's say for example, yes, I have an approved DAEM. Again, case-to-case basis, kung ano yung ginawa nyo or hindi pa nagagawa, yun yung iselect nyo. So, let's say, enroll but still pending, then meron dyang to do next. Kailangan mong gawin muna. I don't have one. I don't have one yet. Yan. So, let's say I already have an approved. And then, may follow-up question dito. Yes. And then, sa step number 7 natin, which is yung MAT-2. Yung MAT-2, pinafile to after manganak ha. So, ito is more on requirements lang para may idea lang kayo kung ano yung mga kailangan yung i-prepare after yung manganak. So, for requirements, you need to have LCR certificate of live birth or yung kailangan naka-certified true copy siya. And then, pwede mo siya mapa-certified sa Local Civil Registrar. And then, yung LCR ORAR, kailangan nakapangalan siya either sa mother, sa father, or sa baby. And then, Certificate of Separation and no advance payment. Ito, depende to sa sinelect mo ha. Since dito sa sinelect natin dito sa baba, dito sa step number 5 is from employed to voluntary. So, separated na siya from employer. So, if you are employed, ang magpa-file ng MAT-2 mo is yung employer mo. Yan. So, ito is more, separated from employer. Kaya meron siyang additional requirement dito. Now, kung halimbawa voluntary self-employed and non-working spouse, dalawa lang yung lalabas dito. Ito lang, LCL, Certificate of Live Birth, tsaka to, ORAR. And then, another one for employee who recently separated, affidavit of undertaking. Ito naman is, if ever na hindi kayo nakakuha ng certificate from your employer. Yan, so, other requirements naman dito for PhilHealth naman na to, if ever you are also qualified for PhilHealth benefits, then this is also useful. I-screenshot nyo lang din siya, and I'll be making another video, separate video for PhilHealth MAT-1 naman kung qualified kayo, or kung gusto nyo lang din ma-check kung ano yung mga possible na pwedeng makuha benefit kay PhilHealth. Ayan. So, sa mga gusto magpa-compute or magpa-estimate, comment lang your EDD, your month contribution, and your member type. And for self-computation po, punta lang kayo sa SSS MAT-2 And mga mami, if you need extra fund po ha, I have a referral link dito. I-click nyo lang to, madadirect po kayo kay Union Bank credit card. Wala tayong commitment dito ha, whether you're approved or not po. If ever na ma-approve kayo, then you can use it, like for example, may mga emergency expenses kayo na kailangan bayaran, or let's say mga gamit ng mga baby nyo, then yeah, you can use this po. But reminder lang ha, this is credit card po. Once ginamit nyo kailangan nyo rin siyang bayaran po.